Hey, welcome back. I'm Len.
And I'm Rene.
And today we're going to talk about the roofing appointment. And the reason that's so important is, of course, you think you know what you need. A lot of people call us up and think, oh my God, I need a new roof, right? But they might not. So when somebody calls Adamson Roofing Company, what's the process? What can they expect?
The first thing is, when you call us, you're going to be talking with our office manager, and she's going to, of course, set up a meeting time so we can come over there and do an inspection because, like you say, sometimes they don't need to replace the entire roof. Sometimes only needs to be done some repairs, and that's it.
So you're going to set up a time on my schedule, right?
Your schedule.
So if it's Saturday and that's the only day I have, somebody's going to come out and talk with me on Saturday about
Yeah, sometimes even same day we can come over there.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Okay,
Yep.
so then so I've called up, I spoke to your office manager, they've got me on the schedule.
They got you on the schedule. One of our project managers is going to come out there, do the inspection, and see exactly what you need. So we're going to provide the estimate. If you like the estimate, we can get you on the schedule, the same day.
So I can literally, your technician or your project manager is going to give me a complete estimate that day.
Yes.
And so if I want to move forward with the work, you can also schedule the work to be done that day.
Most of the time, we can get you on the schedule that day.
If I've done my homework, I've looked up Adamson Roofing Company. I know you guys are a great company, and I've made it up in my mind that when you guys come out, if I like what you have to say, I want to schedule the installation with you guys. Y'all can do that when you come out. And all the other paperwork we can do electronically through email if necessary, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
But at the end of the day, from start to finish, it's fairly user-friendly. I call you guys up. I get on the schedule. You guys come out. You bring samples. You show me what it is I can expect when y'all come out. And if I'm in full agreement with that, I can get on the schedule and get a new roof.
That's correct.
Excellent. And then what about storm damage, just real quickly? If I've got storm damage, you guys help me with that process as well?
Yeah, we can help you 100%. We know. We walked you in through the whole process.
All right. Outstanding. Well, listen, this has been some good stuff. Please like and subscribe. We're going to try and get you guys or provide you with information that's helpful if you think you're going to need a new roof. Certainly call us, 678-424-1919. Make an appointment. We're happy to come out and take a look at your roof and see what it is that you need. Anyway, I'm Len.
And I'm Rene.
And we'll see you next time.